and if it is countable, and some if it is uncountable. Okay? Please don't cry. Okay? So, Maria. Countable or uncountable?
Countable, uncountable.
So, some different. Okay. Dasha?
Cheese. It's uncountable.
Some cheese. Okay. Next step.
Apple. Uncountable.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Countable or uncountable? Countable. So, an apple. Okay, very good. The next. Pauline. Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
1 tomato, 2 tomatoes. Okay? A tomato. Countable. Yes, okay, repeat please. Is a tomato countable? Okay, very good.
French fries.
Okay.
Uncountable. Some French fries.
Okay, we say some French fries, right? Okay, the next.
It's ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
1 ice cream, 2 ice cream.
Countable.
Okay, and
And ice cream.
is an ice cream. Repeat please. It's an ice cream. Okay. The next, Varia.
Uncountable fish.
Some fish, right? Okay.
Chicken. Countable.
Meat. Meat is uncountable, yeah?
Uncountable.
Some chicken, right? Okay, Nastya.
Candy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Countable.
Countable.
Some fruit. Candy.
A candy, some candies, right? Okay. Pauline. Salt, right? Salt.
Some salt.
Some salt, uncountable, right? Okay.
Countable.
An orange, right? And the last word?
Uncountable. Some bread.
Some bread. Okay, so now I want you to think your favorite breakfast. What you usually have for breakfast, and please use it. I usually have an apple, for example, some bread, a sandwich, and so on. Okay, please think over. Please don't try. Just think over what you have for breakfast. Okay, what is your traditional ordinary breakfast? Okay, use please. Don't forget about countable and uncountable. An apple, some bread. Okay, Dasha.
I have an apple. An apple.
An apple or some apples.
Some apples.
Yes.
Some milk. A sandwich. For breakfast.
For breakfast. So it's your ordinary breakfast. Okay, thank you very much.
It's my favorite breakfast.
It's your favorite breakfast. Okay, Nastya, what about you?
Some yogurt. A sandwich. And some tea.
And some tea. So this is your traditional breakfast. Okay, what about you, Matthew?
I have an apple, an orange, and cornflakes.
And some cornflakes.
Some cornflakes.
For breakfast. Okay, so what do you drink? Do you drink some tea?
I drink
some
coffee tea for breakfast.
Okay, I drink
some tea for breakfast.
For breakfast. Okay.
My
George?
traditional breakfast is usually tea.
Okay.
Some tea, some coffee, and sandwich.
And
Sandwich.
a sandwich countable, right? Okay, Vari, what about you?
I eat sausage and some bread and drink some tea for my breakfast.
For your breakfast. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so what is the Russian traditional breakfast? What do you think? What do Russian people usually have for breakfast? Dasha, what do you
Some bread, tea or milk.
Do we drink tea with sugar or
With sugar.
with
What is English for kasha?
porridge?
And some porridge.
And some porridge. Okay, what else? Do we eat bacon? For example, some bacon and some eggs? Mention.
Some bacon and some egg.
Eggs. Okay.
Sandwich with some sausage.
Okay. A sandwich
A
countable with some sausage. And let's think what English people usually have for breakfast. Okay, I give you copies. Let's read and think if English people eat it, yes, or don't eat. Okay, so the first, Matthew, read please the first one.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. What do you think? Do British people eat some sandwiches for breakfast?
Yes.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. Okay, Varia, the next one.
Porridge.
Porridge. Porridge?
Yes, they
Yes,
they eat.
they eat. It's their traditional breakfast. Yes, some porridge. Okay, Pauline?
Bacon.
Bacon. Okay. Do they eat bacon for breakfast? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, they do. Maybe. Okay, Nastya, the next.
Eggs.
Do they eat eggs?
Yes, here.
They
Eat eggs.
eat eggs for breakfast. Yes. Okay, George, the next one. Cereal, cornflakes.
Yes, they eat cereal for breakfast.
Okay, the next, Dasha.
Sausage.
Sausages. Okay.
Ну,
Well,
иногда.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, they sometimes
They sometimes eat sausage.
sausages for breakfast. Okay, Matthew, the next one.
Pancakes.
Pancakes. Pancakes. What are pancakes? No, they don't.
No, they
Yes?
don't.
They don't eat pancakes for breakfast. Okay, the next, Varia. Baked
Baked beans.
beans.
Beans. What is Russian for baked?
Baked beans means these are beans. Beans. Baked, for example, in the oven. Do you remember oven? Okay, so you bake beans in the oven. Clear? Okay, so do they eat baked beans?
Yes, I do.
Yes, they do. Okay, maybe. Okay, the next step.
Fish. They eat fish in the fish
For breakfast.
for
Dinner.
For dinner.
For dinner, so they don't eat it for breakfast. Okay, and the last you got?
Fried bread.
Bless you.
Fried bread.
Do they eat fried bread? Fried? fried.
No, we don't eat fried bread for breakfast.
Okay, now we are going to watch a film. Please listen and tick what they usually eat for breakfast and what they don't eat for breakfast. Okay?
There are some differences between the two countries. Fish and chip shops are still very popular in the UK, and there are still many small cafes which serve a traditional English breakfast all day. That is bacon and eggs, sausages, baked beans and fried bread. The American version of the English.
Okay, so did you catch it? Or we may listen to it once again. Catch?
No.
No. Listen to it once again, okay. So let's listen to it once again. Be careful.
But we don't eat healthy food all of the time. Fast food is tasty, cheap and easy. In the USA and the UK, burger bars, pizza places and fried chicken restaurants are great for people who want food on the move. But there are some differences between the two countries. Fish and chip shops are still very popular in the UK, and there are still many small cafes which serve a traditional English breakfast all day. That is bacon and eggs, sausages, baked beans and fried bread.
Sustainable French fries?
The American version of.
Okay, so ready?
Ready.
Okay, so one by one. Okay, so Dasha, Valia, please name one thing that you usually eat for breakfast.
Sausages.
Sausages, okay. Dasha,
French fries.
French fries, okay. Настя,
Bacon.
bacon,
Egg.
eggs, right? And egg, some eggs, okay. You want
Fried bread.
fried bread, yes, okay.
Sandwich.
And sandwich.
Sandwich.
And some sandwiches, okay.
Fish. Egg уже сказали.
Eggs, yes. And so, okay, so what do you think? What do you think? Is it a healthy or unhealthy food?
It's unhealthy.
It's unhealthy.
Fast
Yes?
food is unhealthy.
Fast food is unhealthy. Okay, so what is healthy food?
French fries.
Healthy. Healthy. First is healthy, which is good for us. Yes? What food is good for us?
This is apples. Fruit.
These are apples.
These are apples for fruits.
No, fruit.
Fruit.
Porridge. Remember, please.
Porridge.
Here, porridge.
And как свежий.
Fresh.
Fresh juice.
Juice. Okay, and some fresh juice, right? Okay, Varia. What else can be healthy, can be good for us?
Healthy soup.
Some soup, right?
Soup.
Because uncountable. So some soup.
Soup. Some fish. Some eggs. Some milk. Some vegetables.
Some vegetables. Okay. So, Igor, what do you think? What is unhealthy for us? Which is not good for us?
French fries. Hamburgers.
Hamburgers.